Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications of this CUBOT. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app, DevCheck Hardware and System Info, and following that, open it. From this app you can find out all the informations about your CUBOT's dashboard, for example, as you can see, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!